Okay, so this is for Home to Africa feedback. So this is the original website. As you can see, the giraffe here is the picture is really crisp, and the giraffe is alive. For this page, for what we have created, the picture of the giraffe is not as crisp as the original one. So I don't know if we can make adjustments to that. And looking on here, so the pictures, yeah. However, the alignment of the squares are not at par, not equal. So I think we need to work on that. Same goes on the About page. So here are their pictures. I don't know if it's, I can't see the picture here. It might be because my computer is slow. Nah, I can't see the pictures there. So the boxes are not aligned, as you can see. I think this should be at level with this. And these are not equal to. So in the original page, the original website, it's not equal to, but this one is slightly bigger than the other two. So they're not really uniform there, but yeah, here it's different. It's like stairs. So I think we should work on that. Discover the natural beauty and secrets of East Africa. Okay, so beauty, I think, came small. Unlike here, it's I think the same size as the other letters, but here it's obviously small. So I think we can work on that. Okay, so for the login page, I see that with the website that we created, this is the landing page. I mean the login page. But here it just like a box. I don't know how to call it, but I don't know if we should keep it like that or if this is good enough. Same with the sign up. It leads to a page on top of the other page, but this one, when you click on it, it's like that. So I don't know if you should keep the original way that they have the sign up and the login page, but yes, you might want to check that out. Okay, so this is the All Safaris. I got it from All Safaris. This is our web page. This is their web page. The original website page. I mean, so there's 7-day epic Rand. Okay, however you have to pronounce that. Randa Safari. Okay. Anyway, so and then 18-day explore. If we look into the other page, this is page 1, by the way. This is page 1 too. So I noticed that the order of the pictures are all shuffled together. It's not the same as the other one. So this one, I think, yeah, this one, 3,100. 3,180 is here. Okay, that's, but it's on a different position. I don't know if we should keep the same position. I'm not sure. Please ask me now. Because I have that assumption that it has to be a copy of the other one. There might be a reason why they have placed some of the promotions on the first page. And there might be some reasons why some promotions are placed on the third page. Just like in a newspaper, right? Those that they get more money, they put on top. So I'm not really sure if that's applicable with this website, or we just keep it at like that, how you have posted it on each page. Okay, so this I found in, let me see, Uganda Tours. And on the original page, I'll go to Uganda Tours too. Alright, so different set of package there compared to this. So I don't know, maybe I'm the page, of course it has 1, 2, 3 page 2. The same 1, 2, 3, and then there's page 5. Oh, okay, so it has page 1 to 5. This has, how many pages does this one have? Only 3. No, just the difference between the two, but I don't know if we necessarily have to follow exactly what their website is. Now this one, TripAdvisor reviews. I don't know if this came in a request because I didn't find it here, but I think that was nice to have those reviews. Only Filter Safaris is very close to the top, the trip reviews. See, I think if you can put like yeah, see. So if I click on that, I don't know if it's too close, or there should be a space there. So on the original page of Mountain Gorillas, the TripAdvisor reviews are here, okay, and it has keywords, category, tag, and duration, and then data, okay, the minimum price. So if you go to the page that the website that we created, only has keywords, duration, yeah, minimum, maximum price, and that's it. So it's different from here too. Tag is not there, category is not there, data is not there, so I don't know if those are important to be there, but I think it is. And also this this way of, what do you call this, pop-up box. I think the pop-up box are really nice if they were there too. This one is a simple pop-up box, but okay. Oh, this is the original website, and you see a nice picture here of gorillas. And here, it became small. So I think it's too small. But yeah, just for comparison. Okay, so this part is for the visa information. And as you can see, it says what everyone needs to know about visa information on one line, right? Since this is a header. If you look at the page, the website that we made, so it's yeah, It became separate, now 2 lines. So I suppose that since it's a header, it should be just 1 line. Just my thoughts. And then the picture again are smaller. These ones are bigger. And the hours are smaller. I think since this is a tourist website, the pictures are quite important because those pictures are the ones that would attract people to really come to Africa. So just my thoughts. That's why they probably and I think they probably spent a lot with those pictures to make it really crisp and pretty. So if we alter that, I don't know if that would impact how they look into that website and how they would get them more visitors. Okay, so these are the reviews part. Alright. Okay. So here, this is let me close that and close this. Get back. Let me open it again from here. Okay. Alright, so this is the page that we made. This is the original. So if you click on reviews from the original page, if you click on read all reviews, I don't know if you have the ability to do that, but it leads to TripAdvisory. And if you click on give reviews, okay, now that's loading. So while that's loading, if I click on read all reviews, it goes back to this page. So I don't know if you have to click create a link for that to go to TripAdvisory. And still this one is not opening. That's actually for the original page, so you don't have to worry about that. Give us reviews. So give us reviews is not working on their end, but with us it leads to the same page. So I don't know if we can, there's a way for us to link this to this when we click on it. Okay, so for this part, this is our page, by the way. Triple Studio, okay. And this is the original. So as you can see, some reason it immediately gets my phone number and where I am from, and they have I'm not a robot here. For our page, it doesn't have that. So this is the original on the original website. So as you can see, there are 2 boxes here: view tours, view tours. Here the alignment of the boxes, of course, is not equal. Yes, and if I click on view all safaris from our website, it goes back to the same page, only on top. But here, if I click on view all safaris, it would lead me to all safaris. So this is the original page. it goes to all safaris. But with us, it goes back to the same page.